Governor ma Kilifi Gideon Mung'aro oseyo sirkal mamalo kuom thiro chenro mag counties kokalo e deko golo omenda ma owinjo dhi ne piny owacho mag counties. Koloso e kinde yango chenro mag loso budget ma higa 2024 gi 2025 county ma Kilifi. Mung'aro koni piny owacho malo osebedo kod tema mar chwalo ne counties omenda ma hika omenda machiegni rumo, kowacho ni ma osemiyo counties peke tiyo kod omenda kaka dwarore. Kinde no Senator ma Kilifi Stewart Mazayo medo kwedo paro mar chik mar omenda ma higa 2024 ma okoni dhi medo osuru mapek ne jopiny.
Fred Magambo na Sheikh karibu.
It's become a trend of government to give us money 1 week before the year closes. So if we don't plan ourselves properly, mtasikia watu wakifanya turudisha pesa. Lakini hatuwezi kurudisha pesa, hatuna. Hatuwezi tumia pesa, hatuwezi kama pesa haziko. Zikikuja siku mbili kabla tufunge bunge na mwaka tutafanya nini? So we need to all make noise about it because it's for the interest of us and Kilifi people, including ourselves.
Nimegundua kwamba mbali na kwamba kuna wenzetu ambao waliwahi kuwa madiwani sasa wako kule bungeni, ingawaje kuna wenzetu ambao walikuwa wakifanya kazi na magatuzi sasa wako kule bunge la kitaifa, bado hawaamini ugatuzi. Na ndio sababu ikifika kule lazima hati wanyanyue zile pesa waregeshe chini.
Sooner or later, that bill, the finance bill, that is coming to the Senate with regards to this budget, I want to make it very clear the position of the people of Kilifi, that we do not agree at all in the increase of finances in that bill. And therefore, ikifika ndani ya Senate, mimi nitapiga no.